for me and my business, I do their background check and their test every single year since I've been a notary. Every single year. It started out, I think it's 79. Now it's up to 99 for the basic package. So what we tell people to do at Notary Educators is you get the basic package because you got to take their test and you have to take their background check. Then let us train you. We prefer you to now. I used to have a different stance on that. I used to say, well, go do all that first and then come to us. But now I realize that a lot of people wasn't able to pass the test because they didn't know nothing about being a notary, period. This is when we first started. So when people would ask me, I said, go ahead and get all that first and then come back. But now I realize, no, you need to learn all this first and then go. That prepares you for the test with them, okay? So we do have a loan signing agent course that is included in the background. That is included in the mentorship program. Or you can buy that separately too. Coupon code Friday, still using Friday, 70% off. I don't think I said that earlier. Coupon code Friday, FRIDAY, 70% off. And that's if you're catching this, okay? If you're catching it today, feel free to use that coupon code. And whenever you're watching this, I'll still try to have that code out, okay? They should expire, and it may expire, so I can't guarantee nothing past today, okay? I can't guarantee anything past today, but right now the coupon code is out there, and coupon code is Friday, okay? FRIDAY. 70% off any of the self-paced courses. So you better stock up. That includes the Apostille course too. The Apostille course, the estate/trust course, the Wedding Officiant course, the field inspection, all of it. So check out the website, okay? Just like I said, kind of take your time and play around with it. Don't rush through it and just buy this and then come back and say, well, I really wanted the mentorship. Take a day or so, think about it. We're going to be here. You ain't got to rush. We're going to be here. You're welcome, Sheila. You're welcome. Debbie says, how long do you have to be in the mentorship program? That's completely up to you. We have people that's been with us from day one, literally for years, because they see the value. We meet every week. You wouldn't think it's that much to talk about in these notary streets, but I guarantee you, I promise you, every week is something different. Every week is something different. So you stay as long as you need to stay. Yeah, we give ongoing support. So it's not just the education piece, but we actually support you in your business. What else does that look like when we talk about the mentorship program? It's ideas. We have people now doing a lot of social media. They've been sharing some tips on how they're building their social media profile. I talk about all that kind of stuff, but it's nothing like the group, and you're with like-minded people. So it's really an investment in your business. Tax write-off too. You always need a tax write-off. So it's tax deductible. We meet every week. Different topic. Again, tomorrow night is all about customer service. Next month, our first session next month, I'm working on November's calendar as we speak. And yeah, go ahead and drop your questions, guys. Drop your questions. Next month, our first session is going to be like a meet and greet. Because I just want people to kind of chit chat and talk. We all are from all over, and we want to do all these different meetups and stuff. I'm not saying that we can't and that we won't, but it's hard for people to travel. It's hard for people to get their schedules together. So we meet weekly and we kind of know each other. But next week, I keep saying next week, but next month, it's going to be like a chill, our first session. And I just want everybody to bring a little glass of wine, whatever you sipping. It could be some tea, whatever. We just kind of chit chat and just kind of talk about where are we in our business. I think I'm going to start implementing that. Maybe monthly. I think maybe the first of every month we might start doing that just as a given, and then the rest of the sessions, and we still will do our coaching because it's all about coaching, right? We got to get these businesses going. But I like that idea. So I was telling my husband, because people really want to get together, but it's just hard for everybody to travel. People don't have no money. People out of work. It's a lot going on right now. It really is. So I'm not trying to add any burdens for anybody. But we will definitely do things so we can, and we talk in the chat anyway, but it's nothing like that face to face, even if it's via Zoom, So, Debbie says, oh yeah, so you can stay at mentorship as long as you want to. It's not a requirement, no minimum, no maximum. You stay as long as you want. Cancel anytime. Only thing about cancellation, you need to cancel 3 days before your next payment. So you can't let your payment hit on the 15th and say, oh, I really wanted to cancel. Well, you should have did it on the 12th, right? So anywhere you go, there are rules and regulations, okay? There are instructions. So you have to follow the instructions. You can always start in the $27 package, because the $27 package still gets you those weekly trainings, those weekly live trainings. We all meet together, one big family. Boop, 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 one big family. And then you could always upgrade, which is what a lot of people do. They like to start at the 27 and kind of just get a feel for what's going on. What they doing over there, notary educators? I need to know what they doing. So they start out with the 27, and that's all good too. Whatever you want to do, we're here for you. If it's self-paced, you got that option. 70% off coupon code Friday. If you want to join the $27 plan, you can start off there, or you can go ahead with the Mac Daddy, which is $47 plan, whatever you want to do. Sometimes people will downgrade from the 47 to the 27. So you have options. I mean, we're not trying to hold you hostage. Whatever works best for you and your budget, and mainly whatever works best for you and your business. What works for you and your business, okay? Hey, Tony, what's going on? What's up? What's up? Hey, Chris. Chris says, I'm new here. I got my notary only for my job. As an office manager, what would you suggest I need? Chris, we love people like you. We call you a work notary. And that's what you are. Right now, you're a work notary because you got it for your job, right? You didn't get it for your business. You got it for their business. You're making them money. So what we like to do is take you from a work notary and make you a business owner. Make you a business owner notary. So what would I recommend for you? You already have your commission, right? But again, that's for them. So what I'm going to recommend you do is, first of all, find out, first get this book right here, Start Your Notary Business, for your state, okay? I just happen to have here Florida, Indiana, and Georgia, but every state has their own book. So get the book for your state. For your state, that's where we're going to start out. Then once you, it's a very quick read because people don't like to read. I'm not saying that about you, but most people don't. So, but it's a quick read. It's very interesting too because it'll tell you all the different things you can do as a notary, right? Which is going to light a little fire under you. You're going to be like, what? I know you can do that. Which I'll tell you something. We already been talking about it. Field inspection, apostilles. I mean, all the different things you've been hearing about, right? So I would say start there with the book. And then double back and join our mentorship program and let us train you properly. Because what happens at work, Chris, is your manager will bring you in documents or whoever your client is, and you just stamp. You don't know why you stamping it. If you should be stamping it, right? Your job didn't give you any training. I guarantee you they did not. If anything, they said, write down what you're doing right here. Other than that, stamp these papers. That's not a business owner, okay? And even that can get you in trouble, okay? So check out Notarize Like a Pro. If you don't do anything else with us, check out Notarize Like a Pro. That's your main course to get you started. And that is coupon code Friday, 70% off, okay? And that's going to teach you your basic notarial duties. Because even if it's a work notary, even as a work notary, you need to know how to properly notarize documents, okay? And a lot of times you're doing stuff. We have so many people that have come through training. I mean, we train thousands, right? We have people that come through training. We train thousands via the internet, YouTube classes. We used to do live trainings. We don't do that many live trainings anymore. Now everything goes through the mentorship. No more live training. But we do everything through the mentorship, which is live weekly. But I mean, like we used to do actual classes, you know, several classes per month. But we stopped that when we went into the mentorship. Because I find that mentorship is priceless. It's priceless. Because every week you're getting trained on something. Every week we're helping you to reach your goals, right? So anyway, yeah, if you're going to do anything, just start with Notarize Like a Pro. If you want to really deep dive and grow this as a business on the side, then you can look at the mentorship program, or you can buy whatever courses you would like independently. But yeah, that's what I recommend. So start with the Start Your Business book, get an overview, then come back and join us for mentorship or the Notarize Like a Pro course. That would be my next steps for you. Debbie says, is it $47 a month? What days do you process payments? You process it whatever day you sign up. And yes, it's $47 per month or $27. Don't forget we got the $27 option too. Yes, it is monthly. And it comes out whatever day you sign up. So today is the, I don't know. I didn't look at the calendar today. I've been working all day and didn't even look at it. I think it's the 19th, 18th, 19th. Is it the 20th? I don't know. But whatever day you sign up, if it's the 18th, it'll come out every 18th. If it's the 15th, it'll come out every 15th. So whatever Whatever day you sign up, that's when it's going to come out.